Welcome back to the TIIM tutorial video series. In this video, we will show you how to create and edit content items, describe different item types that you can choose from, and show you how to preview your items and modules. We will be discussing your content items, which live inside your modules in the TIIM app. Begin at your TIIM dashboard. First, open your study. Then scroll down to the Modules tab. Next, open the module in which you want to create your items. Click Content Items on the right side of the screen to edit the items inside your module. This list on the left shows the item types you will be able to choose from. This is the item list, items that we have already created in the module. To create a new item, drag the desired item type to the item list. This will open a new window where you can edit the properties of the item. You can edit the properties of the item in the left panel, and in the right panel there will be a preview. To edit the properties, you can type the question in here, add an optional description, add an optional picture or movie, and edit the item properties here. Finally, click Save. There are many different item types you can choose from. We'll go over them now. If you want a response in the form of a number, you can choose from these item types. The number input type allows your participant to type in a number on their own. The number slider allows the participant to choose a number by sliding their pointer along that number line. The number drop-down allows the participant to select a number from the given drop-down list. The number choice allows the participant to choose a number from a display of numbers. If you want a response in the form of a word, sentence, or characters, you can choose these item types. The single line input allows the participant to input one line of text. The multi-line input is very similar, but allows for multiple lines of text. The drop-down type allows the participant to select an option from the given drop-down list. The multiple choice type allows a participant to choose from a list, and they are allowed to choose more than one option. The statement type is useful when you want to provide information to your participant. This type simply shows your participant a statement, and they can only click a button to continue. The yes/no item type will provide your participant with two buttons to click. They default to yes and no, but you may change the button labels if you prefer. The four remaining item types will be discussed in a special items and routing video. You may also preview the modules in your entire intervention by going to the Study Home page and clicking the Preview URL underneath the intervention name. Note that you must have modules attached to the intervention in order to preview the intervention. In this video, we showed you how to create and edit content items. We described different item types that you can choose from. And we showed you how to preview your items and modules. Thank you for watching. You can find more tutorials and information at the links below. See you in the next video.